Bike 2 wiring harness. I see, you can see all the pins. No pins bent. There's a good image of all the pins. There, none of the pins are bent. All are in great shape. Let's do this end as long as we're at it. See, nothing deformed in the plug. All good plugs. Nothing wrong with the plugs. Alright, there's our test wiring harness. You see, nothing is wrong with it. Alright, here we go on Bike 2 computer. Plugs are all looking good. 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 Bike 2 controller, all the plugs look great. Now a quick shakedown of the bike side. Battery supply, power supply, good. Crank sensor, good, all pins good. Rear tail light, look at that, all the pins are good. This is hard to see because the lighting, oh there we go. All pins are good, nothing bent, nothing broken. Moving up. Up the harness. No problem with that plug. No problem with that plug. Come on. Come into focus. No problem with that plug. Good. All my pins are good. Let's quick through the last ones right here. Good. Good. I'm getting better at making these videos. Now I'll plug this in and we'll start testing the components like you asked. Here we go. Bike 2 controller plugged into the main line for Bike 2 and plugged into the display, and then we're just going to do the motor wire first, so we're hooked up to there and we have our battery hooked up. Power on. Oh, I gotta have key on. Okay, key on. Power on. She started right up, but she went to pass 1. It should start in pass 0, and then we go air 10 right there. Now I'll unplug the motor and plug the other stuff in one at a time. Okay, now we're just battery, main line to our display, and our switch, pedal sensor plugged in, nothing else. I guess that's going to have to be upside down for a minute. It comes on again, pass 1, right away. Should be pass 0, and then goes to air 10 with nothing else plugged in except for the pedal sensor. Alright, moving on. Alright, now we just have the rear brake light and turn signal plugged in, main line. Original display turned on, right away goes to pass 1, air code 10, nothing else plugged in. Okay, front headlight, horn, only thing plugged in, main line, battery. Come on. Power on, horn comes on automatically. Now this is wire 2 that never had a problem. Then goes air 1. Okay, this time we only got a brake switch hooked up. Turn it on. Pass 1 right away. And it'll go to air. It has every time. Air 10. Turn it off. Key. Okay, now we're at turn signal and horn switch plugged in. Power on. Right away to pass 1. Watch, she'll fault to 10. There we go, 10 every time. And the problem is every one of these controllers does that now. So something in my original harness was probably shorted out. So now I don't think any of these controllers are good anymore. So back to doing the testing that you requested. I'm down to 2 more wires to test. Only the throttle plugged in this time. Turn it on. Right away, I don't know. There you go, pass 1, air 10. Only the throttle plugged in. I got 1 more brake switch left to do. I need my video. Alright, it's my video for the Chinese made. They told me I didn't need to make a video because it's a long and complicated process, and I told them I'm getting better at making these videos. So now that